Good girl. That's right. That's where he goes. His name's Mickey. You say Mickey?
No.
Good girl. She moving too much?
Okay. I'm just trying to keep the hair from going on her.
You're kidding me, right? Oh, you want it there? I can put it there. Want me to do it? You got it. Oh. Very nice. Okay. Very nice. Right there? Yeah. It's so nice. Okay. Put it there. I can do that. Right there. It's ridiculous. Uh-oh. What happened? Well, we only do that because it's been so long. Like, it doesn't have to be.
Oh, okay.
To the side. I'm perfectly happy. It's just...
If it comes down, as long as
that's okay, right? It's just been in her eyes for so long that
you had to move it to the side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look over here.
Right.